Today, we're going to explore how you can unsnooze notifications from within a direct message conversation on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. First, navigate to the specific direct message conversation that you previously snoozed notifications for and would like to unsnooze. Next, click or tap into the message settings within the conversation interface. Then, locate and click or tap on the information icon in the conversation window. After that, find the slider for snooze notifications and click or tap on it to disable the snooze setting for that conversation. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently unsnooze notifications from within a direct message conversation on Twitter using your PC. This feature allows you to resume receiving notifications for the selected conversation, ensuring you stay up to date with important messages. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Start unsnoozing notifications within your direct message conversations on Twitter to regain control over your notification settings and enhance your messaging experience.